Hey everyone, welcome back. Jason here from PlumKrazy Garage. Today we're going to be talking about all things lower control arms. So when Chrysler kicked off their torsion bar suspension back in the 60s, they were only riveted together and they found towards the end of production in around 1976 that they were having big problems. These lower control arms were only riveted together. One rivet here, one rivet down here, and then your lower control arm bush and where the torsion bar goes in the rear here. These things were just coming apart and causing problems. So around that 76 period, Chrysler started adding little plates in here to try and take up any slot with these two plates moving backwards and forwards. We've got a product that we use, the control arm brace plate, the heavy duty brace plates. These are easily installed. They're precision cut from zinc anneal sheet steel. You can simply install them by adding some clamps on this end, welding them on, and then repeating the curve all the way down to the end until they're all welded on there. Slotted provisions for adjustment of the control arms. And once these are fitted, you'll never have any problems with these control arms moving. Without them, it causes the lower control arm to move backwards and forwards, causing premature wear on suspension bushes, all your tie rod ends, ball joints. It will just flog everything out. So these completely eliminate that. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to see more tech videos from PlumKrazy Garage, like and subscribe down below on the link. Thanks again, and we'll see you next week.